Hello, welcome to our assignment, our first virtual learning assignment. So I want to just welcome you guys and thank you for taking the time to do this. I know school looks a little bit different like this, but I appreciate you guys. So we're going to go through this really quickly, okay? So on each of the slides is an assignment, and if there's not an assignment, it's a video of myself explaining the assignment and teaching for a little bit, okay? So I'm just going to kind of go through how you work this on Google Slides, okay? So what you will do is you will start right here and you would click this video to watch it on your welcome, okay? The next slide, you're going to press play to watch your About Me video to figure out how you're going to do your About Me assignment. You're going to go down here, you're going to complete your About Me assignment book, do these slides, and then you're going to click on this play button to watch your math assignment of what you need to do for your math assignment. We're going to be working on growing numbers today. So after you watch that, you're going to go through and you're just kind of clicking along the side. And we're going to be talking about the Math Talk number line, growing numbers, putting numbers in order. So you're typing in those missing numbers. So you have a couple of slides of doing that. And then down at the very bottom is a read aloud. Don't you love that picture that YouTube decided? So this is a read aloud, so you just press play right here. Now you don't have to do anything for our read aloud. I just ask you to watch it because I'm teaching a couple of things about characters and setting in our read aloud. Okay guys, that is it. I hope you have fun, and if you have any questions, please let me know.